hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you are notified of when we upload new video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. Be one of the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. Now, for you to actually, make a woman fall in love with you, it's very simple, right? Women are, in fact, I want to say they're easy. However, I will say this. Develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male, yeah? Naturally, when you are an alpha male, you are wanted by many women, yeah? Especially feminine women. They will want you, like you can just feel it, yeah? You're like a magnet to them, yeah? Like wherever you walk, wherever you go, all they do is just watch you, like they want to rip your clothes off and, you know what I'm saying, have a taste of that lollipop. Let's just say that. And make sure that you give them a good, you know what I'm saying? So all I'm saying is, the best way for you to develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male is click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Ikebulan Trust. Once you do that, you'll get access to online courses such as roles and relationships, and that's exactly where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male. And plus, on top of that, right, when you develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male, like with them falling in love with you by nature, by default, by you being an alpha male, it's like they naturally will submit to you, submit to your demands. They will serve your needs, all right? So if you've got any questions or any topics you would like for us to discuss in our videos, go ahead, leave it in the comment section below. And remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.